Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's speak in English. What is conjunction? We're going to describe in detail about conjunction. First of all, we have introduction here. Let's we describe what is conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects other words, phrases, clauses or sentences. It acts as a bridge between ideas, making communication smoother and more organized. Conjunction help in forming complex and compound sentences, allowing thoughts to flow logically and naturally. Conjunctions are crucial because they combine simple sentences to form more complex ones, connect idea to show relationship like cause and effect and contrast or choice, and make writing and speech sound more fluid and less choppy, more fluent and less choppy. Let's we describe about types of conjunction. First one we have here coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction connects words, phrases or independent clauses of equal grammatical importance. They are often remembered by acronym FANBOY. FANBOY we take first letter of each word and make acronym words to remember them easily. F for here, A for and, N for nor. Like that we take first letter and make acronym word fanboy to remember them easily. All coordinating conjunction by just one word. First of all F, we have example here for indicating region or cause. For example here, she went to bed early for she was very tired. Next A for and adds one thing to another. For example, he liked to read books and watch movie. This is coordinating conjunction that connect two words together. Next one, N for nor, present a negative option or choice. For example, in sentence, she did not sing nor did she dance. So she did not sing and nor did she dance. This describe about present a negative option or choice. And next coordinating conjunction we have be for but here, so contrast or opposition. For example, in sentence, I wanted to go to the beach but it was raining. So this but describe about contrast or opposition. And next coordinating conjunction we have O for or here, or offers an alternative or choice. For example, would you like tea or coffee? And next one we have here Y for yet introduce a contrasting ideas. For example, in sentence, it was late yet he continued to work. And next one we have here S for so indicate a consequences or result. For example, in sentence, she was hungry so she made a sandwich. And we have a usage tip for coordinating conjunction here. Use a comma before coordinating conjunction when joining two independent clauses. For example, I was tired and comma here, but I stayed up late. So use comma before coordinating conjunction when joining two independent clauses. Let's we move on the next type of conjunction, we have here subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction connect an independent clause with dependent clause, showing a relationship between them. Subordinating conjunction indicate time, region, contrast, condition, or place. Common subordinating conjunction we have here in detail. Let's we describe here. First one we have because. Because describe about region. For example, in sentence, she stayed home because she was sick. So because subordinating conjunction describe about region. Next one here is although. Although describe about contrast. For example, in sentence, although it was raining, we played outside. Next one here is since. Since describe about time or region. Since he moved, we have not spoken. And next one here is unless. Unless describe about a condition. For example, in sentence, you would not pass unless you study. Next one here is while. While describe about time and contrast. While I was cooking, she cleaned the house. Let's describe about usage tips for subordinating conjunction. When the dependent clause comes first, use a comma to separate it from the independent clause. For example, in sentence, because it was snowing, the event was cancelled. Next type of conjunction we have here correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction works in pairs to connect balanced words, phrases, or clauses. They emphasize the relationship between paired elements. Let's describe about common correlative conjunction in detail. First pair we have here either or. Either or present a choice. For example, in sentence, you can either come with us or stay home. Either come with us or stay home. This present a choice and this describe you can either come with us or stay home. And next pair of correlative conjunction we have here is neither nor. This present two negative option. For example, neither the manager nor the staff were present. So this describe about two negative options. And third one we have here both and pair. These combine two positive ideas. For example, both the movie and the books were fantastic. And next one we have here not only but also. This pair add emphasis. For example, she is not only talented but also hardworking. This describe about emphasize. This add emphasize. She is not only talented but also hardworking. Next pair we have whether or. Whether or describe and show alternatives. For examples in sentence, I don't know whether to laugh or cry. Next we have usage tip for correlative conjunction. Ensure parallel structure when using correlative conjunction. Example, she is both a talented writer and a skilled artist. Let's describe about importance of conjunction. Conjunction are essential in both writing and speech because they enhance clarity and coherence by connecting related ideas. Second, Prevent repetition by combining simple sentences. And third here, add variety and depth to sentence structure. And fourth one is create logical relationship between thoughts, making communication more engaging. We should avoid these mistakes while we using conjunction. We have to avoid some mistake we doing during in sentences. First one, avoid using comma between two independent clauses without a conjunction. This comma splice. For example, we have first sentence here, I'm tired, I will go to bed. This one. But this is incorrect sentence. Correct will be here, I'm tired, so I will go to bed. So we have to use here. And next one here, be careful with correlative conjunction to maintain parallelism. And next one, be careful with correlative conjunction to maintain parallelism. The first sentence here, she liked both swimming and to run, but this is incorrect. Next one here is correct version, she likes both swimming and running. Hope you understand about conjunction. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Give us a like and subscribe the channel as well.